I, Austin, take you, Lauren, be my lawfully wedded wife.
I, Lauren, take thee, Austin, be my lawfully wedded husband.
To have and to hold, from this day forward,
For better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health.
till death do us part.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
It was pretty evident from pretty early on that these two were meant to be together.
I clearly remember it hitting me all of a sudden thinking, Lauren's gonna marry Austin.
The look on Lauren's face, if you guys were to see it, you would know instantly that Austin means the world to her. One of the greatest decisions Austin will ever make in his life. And cheers to the bride and groom.
She's the kind of sister who loves your children as if they were her very own. And tell them that fruit snacks are healthy because they have fruit in them.
Talk about do we lose a daughter or do we gain a son, or at the end of the day, we did not lose a daughter today by any stretch of the imagination. We gained a larger family.
She's someone I admire, someone I trust my life with, someone I would do anything for. Today, she is my best friend. My children are head over heels for Sauce. Thank you for loving my kids. Cheers to you both. I love you guys.
And love.